Welcome back to my channel, The Real Tina. I know y'all miss me. Too bad I'm not showing my face today, but I will be showing these fat fingers of mine. I know y'all wondering like what's going on with these nails that she's posting. Oh, the Good Girls Press, this is what's going on. And this is everything you need, and it's gonna all come with it, so don't even worry about all that. Here are the directions that you're going to be using to apply your Good Girl Press nails on. But I'm also recording this video to simply show you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And please subscribe and comment because I want to know. Like, I want to know, what do you guys think about this? Like, am I doing it? Like, am I doing a good job with these nails and things, you know? Let me know. Y'all, today was like really a long day for me because Zoe, you know, she gonna be 7 months on the 16th of this month, which is September, and she is ready for nothing but attention. Like, she wanna play and laugh all day, which nothing is wrong at all. But Zoe, baby, mommy trying to do her nails right now. Like, I cannot hold you and do my nails at the same time, baby, because if I could, I would. And then the little backpack strap that you use for the babies, that ain't gonna work because everything around the table is a playground to her. So here it is. Like, I want to say it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock, but I said that I was gonna drop this video so that y'all can see how I do these nails, and that's what I'm doing. I'm dropping this video because I have not been dropping any content. But Kayvon, on the other hand, he dropping videos left and right. He done met Life with Corey. He done went to his house and helped him with his car and everything. Big shout out to 93V Hands On. Y'all gotta make sure y'all subscribe to him. I'm gonna actually drop that link in the description box, y'all fellas, because I know you fellas watching. Make sure y'all subscribe to my husband YouTube channel because I'm pretty sure that he have more things that y'all would actually like to see other than these fat fingers of mine. Whenever you tired of your nail tech, because y'all got some good nail techs, but whenever y'all tired of that, and whenever y'all stop being stubborn on going to the nail shop, getting y'all nails done, just go online to GOODGIRLSPRESS.com. Once again, use my code TINA, get you 15% off, period. It don't get no better than that. And get you some press-ons, because, you know, I like to change it. Y'all know me, I like to switch it up. So this is like the third set that I believe I had on this month. No, this week. Yeah, pretty much this week, because I done ran through some nails. So y'all need to get into this. What do y'all think these celebrities are doing? How do y'all think these celebrities is doing these music videos and just going by their everyday life? It's, you know, like, come on now. I'm sorry, I went through this whole video and never asked you guys, how have y'all been? I hope everybody been good. I hope everybody's been blessed. I just want to let y'all know, stay blessed, never stressed. Like, for real, if I never told y'all anything, just keep that in your head. That is how I live my day-to-day life. Stress, no. Gray hairs, me, no. You won't catch them, because stress for what, baby, when I have my God? You know what I'm saying? So I hope, you know, I hope you all feel the same. I know everybody have their own thing that they worship, but whatever it is, wherever your faith is, just know stress is the last thing that should be on your mind, sweetie. When you start stressing, then that's when things gonna get bad. Like, for real, y'all cannot, I have to stress this. I'm gonna stress this to y'all. You cannot stress, like, for real, for real. Like, for what? Because it's a big world. Like, this world is too big to stress. That's all I gotta say. But don't get stress and anger mixed up, because I will knock you out and not even stress about it. No, let me stop. But for real though, y'all, for real, leave that stress alone. It's okay to be mad. It's nothing wrong with being mad. Like, get mad, blow up if you need to, but don't do nothing crazy that you know that you shouldn't be doing. Like, that you're not gonna put you in a bad situation. Because at the end of the day, y'all know we gotta follow these rules with the system or whatever. Like, this crazy, I know. Okay, so I'm all done getting these nails on, and let me say, these nails is popping. But I gotta get all this glue and stuff off of here because I was a little sloppy, but look at it. Don't play with her, period. Good Girls Pressed, yes, a lifesaver, because during this pandemic, like, going to the nail shop was not it. And then after, but look at these. After I went to the nail shop, when I tell y'all, these people text me $60 for some extra short nails, and here I am rocking these Good Girls. These are my favorite. It's a must that I put these back on. Check me out though. Yeah, you see it. You see the diamonds. Yes, indeed. Make sure y'all go online at www.goodgirlspress.com and order you some of these. I don't care if you get one set. Use my code TINA for 15% off.